Okay, here's the muscle palpations on this big man's legs right here. So we have the plantar fascia, which is right here on the bottom, and that lifts and supports the medial longitudinal arch. We have the gastrocnemius, which is right here. It's one of the calf muscles, plantar flexion of the ankle. And then we have the soleus, which is the other calf muscle. Dang, are you flexing?
No.
Dang, this guy's got good calf muscles. Sorry, that does plantar flexion of the ankle. Then we have the tibialis posterior, which is on the backside below the calf muscles. That does inversion of the foot. Then we have tibialis anterior, which is like right on the shin, and that does dorsiflexion of the ankle. And then we have the extensor digitorum longus, which runs right down here, and it extends the toes, digits 2 through 5. Then we have the extensor hallucis longus, which is right here, and it extends the big toe right here. And then we have the peroneus, which is on the calf muscles, but they're like a little more to the side. And they do the longus does eversion of the foot, and then the peroneus over here also does eversion of the foot, and then the peroneus tertius does dorsiflexion of the ankle, and that runs right here. Here's the bony palpations. So we're starting with the phalanges 1 through 5, and then we have the MP joint right here toward the base. The pip joint is here, and then the dip joint is the one at the end. 3 joints right there. And then we have the base of the 5th metatarsal right along here, and then we have the calcaneus, which is like the heel bone right here. And then we have the Achilles tendon, this guy. I think you got a nice Achilles. And the talus is right in here. And then we have the medial malleolus, which is on the inside, the bony point out, and then the lateral malleolus is the bony part right here.